This is lecture video for section 5.5, video 4. This time we're going to do examples, try to verify identities. So again, quickly review our identities, double angle identities. We have three formulas for the cosine of 2a. The first one is cosine squared of a minus sine squared of a. The second one is 1 minus 2 times of sine squared of a. The third one is 2 times cosine squared a minus 1. We have one formula for sine of 2a, which is 2 copies of sine of a times cosine of a. Last one is tangent of 2a, which is 2 times tangent of a over 1 minus tangent square of a. So the example we have is we want to verify the following equation is an identity. We have cosine of fourth power to the fourth power of beta minus sine to the fourth power of beta equal to cosine of 2 beta. Okay, so for this one looks like a little bit weird. So what we can do is we're going to start from the left hand side. And then we're going to thinking about how can we breaking them. So again, we can, again, right now I'm doing the scratch works. If I start from the right hand side, I can breaking the cosine of 2 beta into like a cosine square of beta minus sine square of beta or other versions. But I'm not sure which one I'm going to use to actually get to the cosine to the fourth power. So it's better to go from the left hand side. Since I have cosine to the fourth power beta minus sine of fourth power beta, and then one of the formula for the cosine to beta is cosine square beta minus sine square beta. So I can factor it. Okay, so this is my starting point. So I know, okay, I'm going to start from the left hand side. So now I'm going to really writing out my solutions. So my left hand side, as I mentioned, I'm going to factor it, will equal to cosine square of beta minus sine square of beta times cosine square of beta plus sine square of beta, where cosine square of beta plus sine square of beta is equals to identity 1. So I end up with cosine square of beta minus sine square of beta, which from the double angle formulas, this one just give me cosine of 2 beta equal to the right hand side. So since the previous one is a little bit short, so I'm going to do another verifying identity example. So this one I have, the statement I have is sine of 4x equal to 4 times sine of x times cosine of x times cosine of 2x. So for this one, I'm still going to start from my left hand side. So my left hand side can break into sine of 2x plus 2x. So I'm going to using the double angle formulas. That means I'm going to have 2 copies of sine, sine of 2x times sine of cosine of 2x. Looking at my right hand side, I have the cosine of 2x, so I'm going to keep my cosine of 2x. So my next step, I'm going to break my sine of 2x again. So I will have 2 times of the sine of x, cosine of x, copy down the 2 sine of 2x. So combining together, I end up with 4 times of sine x, cosine of x, times cosine of 2x, which is equal to the right hand side, and I finish the problem.